Hi, my name is Tatiana, class of 2021, recently graduated from Alumni University with first class honors, majoring in sculpture from Faculty of Fine and Applied Arts. I really enjoyed my time here in rugby school, especially in art studio. That's where I spent most of my time here. University was an interesting experience for me because since I was the only foreigner there, it was really different to me as coming from international school. By graduating from international school with really good art teachers here, they really helped me because once I was in uni, I felt like I can do anything because they already taught me beforehand, and I felt like I was a bit ahead of others, whereas others were just starting and I was already kind of ahead and knew what I was doing. Become an artist, but also continue my studies, so I'm currently thinking of pursuing my master's. I've just recently graduated in October, so basically last month, and during this period, I've actually been exhibiting. So one of the exhibitions I did was actually in Bangkok and the ACC. And recently I just came from China, another exhibition that I did. They were centered around the freedom of speech. So I kind of brought up roughly my experience as a foreigner in Thailand, yeah. The workshop that I'll be conducting we'll be sculpting a bust, so like a portrait sculpture. We'll be having a model, so it will be in real life modeling, sculpting the model, and I hope everyone will enjoy it. Be confident, don't be scared. Even if there is a chance of getting a rejection, you can change that. Just prove them wrong.